Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your delivery address on Zara. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in zara.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Zara website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your delivery address, click on your username at the top right corner and you will be taken into your purchases page. In order to change your delivery address, click on Profile and then click on Addresses. You can now either add a new delivery address or change the one that you already have by clicking on the three dots and then clicking on the Edit button. Either way, you will then be allowed to change your address or create a new one. Just type in your first and your last name followed by the country within the Send To section. Finally, enter your full address followed by the city or town as well as the postcode and the state or province. Finally, enter your contact information and then click on the Save button. And now, your delivery address will be changed on your account right away. And now, all of your deliveries will be made to this new address. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your delivery address on Zara. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.